So now we are going to study the how to set up a Java. So for that purpose, you need Java setup, that is JDK. You can use latest JDK, which is available on internet. It is open source. You can download it from an internet. So here I already have a setup. I'm just clicking on that setup. Before downloading your setup, just check the compatibility with your uh, OS. So which OS you are using. So once you download the JDK setup, click on it. These are the process of installations. It will take some time. Just go on clicking next and then install. I'm using JDK 8. You can use JDK 9 also. It will take some time. There are different Java IDE. You can use Notepad++ or you can use NetBeans, Eclipse. So these are the IDEs. So if anyone have downloaded or installed NetBeans, then the JDK will automatically be installed. Or just simply download the JDK 8.1 or you can use the 9 also. Go for latest version of JDK and download that. So now I have installed the IDE. Let's write the first program. Now what you have to do is open the notepad and just write the simple hello world program. So this is the simple hello world program in Java. See, I have written a class name, class first. I have given the name as first. You can give any class name, okay? Class first. In that, public static void main string args. So this, what are these statements? This is public static void main string args. This is the main statement in Java programming. Public is the keyword, static is also keyword, void is also keyword. And the string args, we expect a command line argument. So this is the main statement. After that, I have to print a statement. For this purpose, I am writing system.out.println. So system.out.println will work same as printf and cout in C and CPP. So here in Java, we are writing system.out.println. In bracket, whatever the statement you want to print, write that statement in double quotes. So I have written hello world. Now remember, I have to save this program. So the program name should be compulsory same name as class name. So here class name is first. So I have to save this program as first.java. First.java. I am giving a file name and I am saving this file to a desktop. Now my file is saved in my desktop. Now, for next compilation, open your command prompt. For this command prompt, you need to set a path of Java. So now, how to set a path of Java? Go in your C drive, okay? In that program files, click on program files. In that, go on Java folder. In that first setup, JDK 1.8, click here. Go in bin folder and now copy the URL of this. So I'm copying the path of this. See, I have copied this path. Go to command prompt and write set path is equal to, in double quotes, paste that copied location path. See, I have written set path is equal to, in double quotes, I have paste that path location and then click enter. Now I know that my program is stored to a desktop, right? My program is now stored to a desktop. So we need to go to desktop. So how to go to desktop? Now we are in user admin. So if I want to go to a desktop, just write cd desktop. What is meant by cd? It is a change directory. I have to change my directory to a desktop. So I am writing cd desktop. Then hit enter. Now see, we are into a desktop. Okay. Now in a desktop, I have stored my Java file. I have to compile that Java file. So for compilation, just write Java C and name of the file, which is first.java. And I have hit enter. So my file is now compiled. If there are errors, then it will be show you errors here. But there are no errors. So now my compilation process has been successful. Now I have to run my Java file. So how to run my Java file? Just write Java and name of the class without any extension. So name of the class was my first. So I am writing here first. This is the name of class or name of file. Okay, only the name of file you have to write without any extension. That is Java first. Now see, hello world, it is giving the output as hello world. See, the program is giving the output as hello world. First, what I did, I had opened the command prompt. In that command prompt, I had set the path. I have set the path as set path. And this path is copied from bin folder. Then I am going to a desktop because my program is saved to a desktop. You can make one folder of desktop, then click CD desktop. You will be in desktop folder. Again, you want to go to your folder, then CD, name of that folder. CD stands for change directory. For compilation, you have to write Java C first.java. That is the name of the file. So this is the compilation step. After compilation, we know that our file will be in the form of bytecode. So as we said that there will be an automatic class file creation. Now see at the desktop, there is automatic class creation, class file creation. See, you will able to see this. This is my first.java file source code. Once I compile my source code, then there will be a bytecode. The code will be converted into a bytecode. That means my class file will be created. This is automatically created, first dot class. And to run the code, in the command prompt, you just have to write Java first. To run the code, you have to write Java and name of your file without extension. Now see, I have got the output, that is hello world. So this is the simple program of Java. Simple program of hello world in Java. So these are the steps to run the Java code.